Hey guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on New Barton Street in Salford M6 to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a beautifully presented 2-bedroom bay-fronted terrace, and as we walk inside we go into a welcoming entrance hallway which leads on through. This is well presented lounge to the front, then a spacious dining room just through here. That leads to a good sized fitted kitchen, the rear of the property. From there you'll find a beautifully presented low maintenance courtyard garden at the rear with paving and a deck seating area. The property is located in the popular Irlam Height area, which is popular due to close vicinity to transport links through to Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre, along being within easy access of local schooling and several welcome parks as well. Upstairs to the rear of the property we've got this huge 4-piece bathroom. As you can see, really good size. We've got the second bedroom just through here, which is a large double, but still smaller than the main bedroom, which as you can see is really good size, double bedroom. This property would be great for first time buyers and investors alike. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.